This life no balance. I go do my job as driver, do servant job, do gate man job. Is this not modern slavery? Adiba. Mama, so you are gone, just like that. No burial, no goodbye. Mama, why? Why? You left without saying goodbye.
Here, come here, come.
Ma?
You're taking me to Oka right now. And I mean right now. Don't waste my time, please.
Madam, sorry. If you tell me before now, you can't just start going to Oka. I didn't plan for that.
Are you questioning me?
No,
Did you just talk back at me?
I'm sorry, ma. Just that. You should have. I don't work like that. I have schedule. You go tell me say we dey travel, so I feel plan. I can't just start going to Oka.
You have schedule. Have you forgotten your work in this house? I mean, are you not supposed to be our driver?
Your mother's driver, not yours.
Oh, really? I can see you've gone nuts. Look at you, puppet. But you know what? My father will hear this. Rubbish.
But madam, I did nothing wrong.
You did nothing wrong. You looked at me and you talked back at me, and you have the guts to say you did nothing wrong. Silly thing. Dad, can you imagine that classless fool talking back at me?
Who is that?
The useless driver.
What did he do this time?
I asked him to take me to Oka for a traditional marriage. He said he wouldn't. That what will I tell him to take me to Oka? That he isn't my driver, that he's my mom's driver, saying all rubbish.
Call him for me.
Where are you? Fool. He's here.
Okay, you may leave. I'll take it from you.
Excuse me, sir. It's like you're having problem with this. Sir, can I help? Sir, this arrow here is where the increase in price of commodity started. Yes, sir. This one is shift in local supply. That is the meaning of SLS. And this one is the total sum of the last supply in the first quarter of the year.
Obi?
Sir?
How did you get to know this?
I went to school, sir.
To think that I almost lost this contract. Oh, thank you.
You're welcome, sir.
Look, I need to call my friend.
Sir, can I?
Hold on. Chief Silas. Guess what? a miracle just happened. You know my driver, Obi. He deciphered the code that has been holding us back in that contract. Yes. The contract is ours, yes. Yes, we'll see. Bye. Obi.
Sir.
Thank you.
You're welcome, sir.
Hey. Hey.
What's the excitement all about?
Yes, you may go.
Thank you, sir.
No, stay.
Right.
You won't believe this.
What?
Obi here solved a difficult problem that I was having in the contract I've been chasing. I almost lost the contract.
Wow, that's wonderful. Obi, is my bag in the car?
Yes, ma'am.
Well packed?
Yes.
Everything packed? You may go.
Thank you.
Honey, I am ready.
Ready for what?
I told you I was to go to work today. Have you forgotten?
I thought you changed your mind.
I didn't, honey. Come on.
Oh.
I didn't. Will you see me off, please? Thank you. Come on, let's. When I come back, we'll talk about this, okay? It's just over. So things are. But why is your face like that? See, I will be back before you know it. Once the capturing is over, I am not going to join them in the conference. Okay?
You said the same thing the other time when you traveled to Lagos. And you ended up staying there for 7 days. 7 good days.
I'm sorry. It's just that I needed to attend to my workers in Lagos. But Owerri is just an hour, 30 minutes or 2 hours thereabout. So I'll be back before you know it. Come on. You don't have to miss me too much.
It's all right. It's just 2 days. I'll manage. Okay?
All right, then.
All right.
I'm
Safe journey.
going to miss you.
Safe journey.
I'm not going to miss you much. All right.
Obi, sir, look, be careful while driving, huh? Especially when you get to Onitsha.
Onitsha. I got that side now, Apollo now. Nothing to happen.
Aha.
Thank you, sir. Sorry, man.
Careful, oh, this guy is 60 million. Oh.
Hello, sweet mommy berry with a lot of sugar. But that's the truth. Yeah. Anyway, your baby boy is all clean, waiting for you. Now tell me, what's keeping you? Wow. I can't wait to see that. You know, baby, I can't wait to touch your succulent body and make you scream over and over again.
Yes, honey. Don't worry, I will be back in a jiffy. I will be with you for 2 good days. It's okay. Don't miss me too much. You'll see me right away. Alright. Okay. Obi,
Ma?
take me to ZM Hotel and Suites.
No, I thought you said we are going to...
I am not going to Owerri. So take me where I said you should take me.
I'm sorry, I can't change direction. Like I said, we are going to Owerri. And when I get to Onitsha, I should drive carefully.
What's your business? I can tell my husband what I want to tell him. I said you should take me to ZM Hotels and Suites here in Asaba.
With all due respect, my won't. You told Oga we are going to Owerri. I can't change destination alone.
Do you realize you are being rude to me? Do you know I can sack you right away? What are you doing?
There will be no need for that. Instead of you to sack me, let me resign honorably.
Are you alright? Obi, what is wrong with you?
Nothing, man.
What do you mean nothing? Why did you stop the car? Do you know you're being disrespectful to me? I can sack you here and now.
With all due respect, ma, it's better I resign honorably than you to sack me. Oga said I should take you to Owerri. And when I get to Onitsha, I should be careful. Madam, you are part of the carefulness, ma.
You're going insane. Oh my word, how did I end up with this fool? I said you should take me to ZM Hotels and Suites.
That's not what my Oga said. My Oga said I should take you to Owerri.
It is not your business where I am going. Let me have the car key.
Sorry, ma, it's not your car, it's Oga's car.
It's my husband's car, not my car.
I'm sorry, ma, with all due respect. My Oga said I should take you to Owerri. I can't change direction. Sorry, ma.
All right. Take me back home.
Thank you, ma.
You are becoming too lousy. Too lousy in this house. Oh, honey.
What's going on?
No, nothing. I changed my mind.
You
Where are
changed
you
your
going?
mind?
I said keep my boss. Keep my boss.
What's going on?
Nothing, honey. Go. Get me what I said you should get for me. Use the Lexus.
Okay, ma.
Give me my key. Ah!
Obi, what's the problem?
Honey, I said it's nothing.
Nothing.
Yes, honey, nothing. Let's go inside. I know you're missing me already. Come on. After you. Yes. I changed my mind.
Thank you so much.
What happened now?
They snatched my car.
They snatched your car?
Yes.
Hope they didn't hurt you.
No.
Okay.
No. Thank you so much.
So where are you going?
I'm going to the airport, but you can stop me to anywhere that I can just find a car.
No worry, I might drop you for airport. No worry, I might drop you.
Thank you. Okay, stop me here. Stop me. Yes, stop me here. I'm not going again.
You know to go to the airport again?
No, I have changed my mind. Thank you so much.
Are you sure you're okay?
Yes, I'll be fine. My God will bless you.
Amen.
Thank you.
Easy.
Yeah.
Into a very handsome man who could have believed he suckled my breast. Oh, death! You dance with me.
Obi?
Sir?
How did this envelope get here? Did my wife drop it here?
No, sir.
Did you lift anyone with my car?
If it wasn't a lift, really, but...
Not really a lift. Then what is it? Now park this car!
Sir?
Park the car!
How am I going to live with these kids like this? They are threatening to kill me if I don't tell them who their father is.
It's alright. Tell them that I am dead.
God forbid, Oga, you won't die.
Obi? Who called you into this?
I'm sorry, sir.
Nafe, get out of the car! Get out of the car!
Idiot. Sorry, sir.
Idiot!
By the way, how could you come up with such a terrible idea? Eh? You want me to tell them you are dead? Why?
You're asking me why? What else can I tell them, or can you tell them? Eh? Do you know that if my family gets to hear about this, it will tear my family apart?
Oh, you are talking about tearing your family apart, right? What family are we talking about here? My children are also your family, if you don't know. Eh?
Please, just relax, calm down, eh?
Anyway, if you want me to calm down, you need to settle me.
But I've been taking care of you and the children now. Eh?
I don't care.
Okay, so
I
what do you
need
want?
money. You
What
have to
do you
settle me
want?
with 10 million naira.
10 million naira?
Yes.
Where do you expect me to get that kind of money?
My dear, I don't care to know where you get it from. So long you don't want me to bring my children to the house. What else do you want from me?
Hey.
Eh? You need to settle me with 10 million and that is final.
It's okay. Don't worry. Let's leave this discussion for now. Let's talk about it another time.
That is all you say every time. It's all about you. You don't care how I managed to take care of these children for the past 17 years. You don't care. It has only been all about you.
Yeah, but I've been taking care of them too now. I've been sending money.
My friend, please, I need that money. And you need to do it fast. I need that money real fast.
Okay, you leave. I will send you some money.
You send me some money?
Yes.
Are you sure?
I said I will send you some money.
Okay. So, you don't want to touch me? Okay, well, I'm waiting.
Destination, sir.
I'm sure you know my wife is not supposed to hear about this. People make mistakes every day. Is that understood?
No problem, sir.
Drive.
Nana. Oh, Nana. You caused me so much trouble and disappeared into thin air. I regret the day I met you. I regret the day I cheated on my wife with you. I got everything I needed in life. Both peace with my wife, my family. I had peace with myself until you came and took everything away. You're a nightmare. Asa. Asa. I'm so sorry. I wish you could just forgive me and rest in peace.
So this man has this huge contract and he's hiding it from me. Why would he do that? Why? Oh my word. Really? Why would people hide such a thing from me? Look at this one. Wow.
Honey,
Yeah, honey.
I thought you were in the bedroom, but I went there, I didn't see you.
Oh, sorry about that, my love. I was at the guest room.
Oh. It's all right. Are you not traveling this evening again?
I've not made up my mind.
It's all right.
Chief, the envelope, sir.
Obi, forget about it. What is inside that envelope is way beyond your class, okay? It's way beyond you.
But sir, I can actually...
Look, there is no but. Huh? Go outside. You can see that I'm having a discussion with my wife. I said leave.
All right, sir.
Look in my room.
Honey, what envelope is he talking about?
Well, honey, I don't know who gave this envelope to him. The contract inside is for the distribution of antibiotics to all the countries in West Africa.
You don't say this.
I'm telling you. That's what is inside.
May I have a look?
Go ahead. All right. See?
Oh my word.
You see?
Honey, this is worth billions of dollars. How did Obi get this?
I don't know. Look, you see the other contract I was working on? I will relinquish it to Chief Silas to handle. I will concentrate all my attention on this. You know, this can change our lives forever.
Yes. Wow. How do you intend to go about it?
Well, I need to ask Chief Silas. He knows a lot of big names in the pharmaceutical industry. He should help out.
Wow. Congratulations in the Obi dynasty. I think I've heard that name before. It's a big name.
Well, I will have to ask Chief Silas. He knows a lot of big names in the pharmaceutical industry. Yes, he can be of help.
Congrats then.
Oh,
Congrats in anticipation.
thank you, thank
to
you.
more dollars.
I know you love dollars.
Of course I do. Who doesn't?
Let me go and freshen up.
All right, love.
All right.
Yeah. Okay. I don't want my husband to know that we visited the OBI dynasty. I'll give you 20,000 naira after.
I will not tell your husband that we visited here.
Thank you.
At the same time, I do not need your money.
Why?
Madam, with all due respect, God brought this contract for me to change my life. I don't know why you chose to hijack it.
Will you stop talking gibberish? Is it because I didn't arrest you for using my car to give a total stranger lift?
What if I had run away with this contract?
Really? Then I would have found you and jailed you. Do you know how much I left in that car that got missing? My money disappeared.
Madam, why are you intimidating me? Is it because I have no one to speak for me? Why are you doing this?
Please step aside, I want to make call.
Okay, ma.
Hello, dear. I'm here. It's okay. Please, no cameras. I don't want my husband to know that I visited. All right. Oh, no problem. Take your time. I'll wait. Sure. All right, dear. Obi, where is this boy? Eh? Where is this boy?
Good day, ma.
Oh,
You are welcome.
thank you.
My boss asked me to bring you inside.
Oh, thank you. Please, did you see my driver anywhere?
No, ma.
Where is this boy? Obi! Oh, sorry. My manners. Obi! Obi! Where did you go?
Sorry, ma, I went to wee.
You went away.
Yes, ma.
Did I ask you to do that? I just said you should step aside for me to make call. That was it!
Madam, why are you getting angry unnecessarily? I just said I went to ease myself.
Oh. You want me to ask you to apologize? You are talking back at me?
I'm sorry, ma.
You should be sorry for yourself. Do I blame you? I don't. You're seeing me as some woman out there. You don't know my word, do you? I don't think you do. By the time I'm done here, I don't think I'll be working with you. Because you're so lousy, disrespectful. Oh my dear, I'm so sorry. This is not me. Just that I have a stupid driver. Now listen, do not live here again. Don't step on age.
Okay, ma.
I won't be looking for you when I come out. Stay put.
Hello, Oga?
Yes. But I don't want my wife to know about it. Okay? Okay, since she's still shopping, you can come over, pick me and drop me there.
Okay, sir.
All right.
Ma, make yourself comfortable. My boss is very busy at the moment. In the next 30 minutes, he will be here.
It's okay. It's all right. It's okay. Thank you.
You're welcome, ma. Again, if you need anything, let us know.
Sure. Thank you.
You're welcome.
The office is epic. Anyways, I have to relax. Don't worry, come back. By the time I am done with you, you won't even know when you sign the surety form and everything that is needed to be signed. I have to smell it in.
What's going on? Are you kidding me? This woman has blocked me. What? So she thinks she can use me and dump me, right? Wow. I will make her life miserable. I will mess her life up. She'll know why they call me Bond.
Obi, you have to go back to the shopping mall. Check if my wife has finished her shopping, then take her home.
Okay, sir.
Remember, you didn't drop me here. Okay?
Okay, sir.
What are you doing here? Half naked! In an office!
No. How did you get in here? How did you get in here? Obi?
Ada.
What are you wearing? Why are you dressed like this?
Both of you are greedy, selfish, and unfaithful. You think I don't know why you're here? You came to sleep with the supervisor so that he can sign your surety form. No. Don't Beatrice her because I know why you're here too. You came to bribe your way up. Both of you want to do business with Obi Dynasty while you lack decorum. You want to ruin the reputation that took me 18 years to build.
Are you Obi Dynasty?
Of course I am.
Oh, Obi, we can settle this here right now. Eh?
You should be ashamed of yourself. You stole my phone. You want to do business with me. Well, I can't do business with someone like you because I can't trust you. You have bad record.
We can do this.
You are not a quality human.
Oh.
When they are done, search them thoroughly before they leave this place.
Yes, boss.
We can do this business together.
Tango.
What? The CEO of OBI Dynasty? I mean, how is that even possible?
Miriam, I was there. I saw Obi in a different color today. He's been on disguise. Obi is the owner of OBI Dynasty.
God damn it. Shit. I mean, why didn't we see the handwriting on the wall? That boy is a green snake in the green grass. How come we didn't check? We didn't see the connection in his name.
Your father will certainly send me out of the house, and I need something to fall back to.
Dad shouldn't be angry that you're chasing the same deal with him.
He has every right to be angry. Not after he met me half naked.
I don't understand.
I went to see a supervisor. Obi brought your father and the same place to see who I do not know. Your father walked in there and met me half naked.
You should be smart enough to pay your way out of this town.
You don't understand, do you? How would I know that things will turn out that way? Miriam, I've lost your father. And I need to hold something. I need to do something about it fast.
If this tears this family apart, I swear to God, I am going to deal with that fool. I am going to fuck him up.
You are greedy, you are selfish, you are a god digger, unfaithful people. No trust, no respect, no loyalty, betrayal everywhere.
What can I do for you, ma?
I'm here to see Obi.
He's having a siesta and he wouldn't want to be woken up. Come back tomorrow, ma.
It's okay, I will wait. I don't mind.
It's alright.
Where is your boss?
He's having a siesta. Please sit and wait for him.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome, sir.
You are greedy, you are selfish, you are a god digger, unfaithful people.
Sir, please, you have to come back tomorrow. My boss said he's too tired to entertain visitors
Did you tell him that Chief Okigbo is here?
Please come back tomorrow, sir. He doesn't like disturbance at this hour.
Okay.
Did you tell him that Mrs. Beatrice Okimo is here?
What is special about your visit?
I beg your pardon. Are you stupid?
Are you deaf? Didn't you hear what I said?
Do not insult me. Don't.
Green snake in a green glass. You have skeleton in your cupboard of a sea. And you want to reap where you did not sow. If I feel made a medal, I get back back here. You think you're brave and smart. You think you're the master of the game.
That means you could have killed me if you had your way. You knew I was going for the same contract, but you went behind me to overthrow me. Someone who sleeps and wakes with me on the same bed every day.
Please stop. Stop already. I didn't know you were going after the same contract.
Are you being serious?
Yes.
I came home with the envelope. And I told you about it.
But I've gotten my own envelope before then.
Oh.
How would I know that we are chasing after the same contract?
So why didn't you tell me about it?
I wanted it to be a surprise.
A surprise?
Yes.
Surprise, you say? And you wanted to sleep with another man just because of a contract? If I were not there, you would have slept with him and come home to play a good wife, right?
Enough. Enough. I was just playing along. You know me too well. I can't fall for that cheap thing.
You are a fool.
Don't you ever call me that again.
That is what you are. Now you listen to me. We are putting an end to that thing called marriage. Get ready.
Hey, look. Don't even pretend. Don't pretend I am the only one guilty here. I caught you in the act. You went there for the same purpose. So I need an apology.
Wait for it in the court.
Not now. What do I do? What? See.
Hi, Mom. What's going on?
Your father is asking for divorce and I don't want to give him that.
Okay. So what do you want me to do about that?
Please. You have to seduce Obi. Lay with him. Get his nude pictures. We can use it to get what we want.
That boy is too smart.
I know. But you know he likes fine girls. Beautiful things. Take that advantage. Use it.
Okay. So what would be my reward for doing that?
5 million. I'll give you 5 million naira.
Make it 10.
Miriam, that's too much.
Nothing is too much for that kind of risk. 7 million.
Are you seeing him tomorrow?
I got you.
That's my girl. All right there. One down. You said this marriage? I'm not living here empty-handed.
What happened? You've not done anything about what we discussed.
Like I told you, I'm working on it. Things took a different turn. Look, I'm so devastated.
Anyway, they are here.
Who?
Your kids, of course. Say hello to your daddy.
Hello, Daddy. I never believed I would see you. It was been boring without a daddy.
Please, can we take pictures, please, Daddy?
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mommy. Thank you. Daddy, I love you. Dad, I miss you. Miss you so much.
Good morning and welcome.
Yeah, hello. I want to see your boss.
You have an appointment.
No. Tell him that Miriam Okibo is here to see him.
Well, he's busy upstairs with some clients.
Excuse me. Do you know me?
We don't answer such questions here. We do serious business.
Well, go in there. Tell him that Miriam Okibo is here to see him. And don't waste my time about that.
We'll deflate tires if he refuses to leave.
Come. Have you gone nuts? Aha! I have been standing here all this while waiting for you to come out. Obi? 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 That boy walking out on me like I'm a nobody.
Calm down. You didn't walk out. You didn't succeed?
How will I succeed? He didn't even let me come inside.
Miriam, you have to calm down and do this. Were you expecting him to bow down and lick your feet?
He should at least accord me some respect.
Have you forgotten that you guys were a dog and cat while he was here?
So?
Miriam, I beg you in the name of God, please. You have to go back and finish this move. See, I promise to do anything. Just mention it. I will do anything you request. when we succeed. Please, I don't want to lose both sides. I beg you, please, 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 sweetheart, please, please, do this for me.
I'm doing this because of you.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Oh yeah, go back. Now listen, when you get there, use what you know best to seduce him and get what you want. Don't be in a hurry. Even when he's throwing his insults and whatever, pretend nothing is happening. Do the needful. Come on, I wish you luck. My girl, I'm counting on you, girl. Open the gate!
You don't walk out on me when I'm talking to you. Are you deaf? Obi, you lied to us. I mean, you're my driver. Our driver. My personal driver. And then I wonder, how did you get so much guts? Where did you get it from? The guts. The temerity. So much confidence. Where did you get that from? You lied